performing for somebody, one of those people you respect and call real role models that pretend on TV to look good and do good and all that bullshit, that act. And this old pervert was trying to be funny with me in my car. They just opened my car with his security. They found me asleep in my car. I was about to go on stage, but I always wait for my managers to tell me so that I start dressing up. Fast forward, this motherfucker is trying to be inappropriate in front of my team members. No shame, no remorse, nothing. And you know what I fucking kept thinking about? I was so angry, I almost didn't perform. But then I respect my job. I thought about my job. And then after performing, I punished myself. I was thinking, why not just fucking return the money? Do I deserve the disrespect? No. Why do you look at women as objects? Don't you have daughters? Treat the women you meet on the way like you would want your daughters to be treated, please. Seriously. I was imagining if you could try that shit with me. What are you doing without people seeing you behind those doors, without that pretense? I hate motherfucking perverted people. Men mostly. You have daughters and you act like you love your daughters. But when you're dealing with other people's daughters, you act like you don't give a fuck. Karma is a bitch, dear daddy. If it does not come back to bite you, it will come back to bite your babies. So please, stop with the whole idea of misusing power. Women are not objects. Women own their bodies. So if you want to sleep with a woman, please be nice and ask them, okay? And if you can't, fuck off. Have some respect for women. If you hire me to sing, respect me. I didn't come for you to touch me. Please.